Dr. Jose Almeida here, inviting you to IVC 2026. Some changes. Just wanted a few words here, get everyone oriented. Hopefully, those who've been here will come back, and maybe we'll attract some new folks come down to Miami for a wonderful vascular surgery meeting. The dates May 28th through 30th, 2026, at the Marriott Biscayne Bay. We'll still be on the water, but not at the beach. And we've partnered with the University of Miami Department of Surgery. They have now taken on the meeting. This is a good thing. We're certainly proud of the U down here. And for me, I trained at the University of Miami Department of Surgery back in 91 and 96. Came back after my fellowship and have been on the voluntary staff ever since and rose to full professor. So I've been a voluntary professor for, I don't know, 25 years. Been doing cases there for a long, long time, teaching residents and fellows, but now I have a more formal position to administer the meeting, and I also have some clinical duties. Still have my private practice, but also part-time academic practice. This is a good backdrop for some of the business things we'll be discussing, in that solo private practice is an option, an employed physician with a hospital system, or an academic position. They're all very different. As we know, healthcare has changed. Those of my generation probably saw the old system, but now, it's a business. Um, most physicians are employed now, so they need to learn uh, how their salaries are managed, how their productivity is viewed. For those of us still in the office, we need additional income streams as reimbursement has gone down significantly in the past 10 years. We will be covering all that in some of the business sessions. Um, the so again, I'll remain as chairman. The co-chairman will be Dr. Jean Peneton. Many of you know him as a well-known aortic surgeon. Was at Eastern Virginia many years, is now joining our faculty in November of 2025. Stefan Kennel-Pierre, one of the vascular surgery faculty, will help also as a co-chairman. The venous component leaders are still Ed Mackey and Lowell Kabnick. Arterial component, Jorge Ray and Clem Darling. Ultrasound, Jan Sloves and Louis Carvajal. And of course, aesthetics and wellness is Julian Javier, Laura Ellis, and Jorge de la Torre. Why do we have aesthetics and wellness in a vascular meeting? Again, for those of us in private practice, we've needed additional revenue sources, and this is educational content on how to do that. So over the course of 3 days in late May, we'll be covering venous arterial ultrasound, aesthetics, and wellness. If you look at the website, IVCMiami.com, the agenda will be coming very, very soon. This is the hotel, and these are the four main components: venous arterial ultrasound and vascular business and wellness. All the information will be here. The agenda, again, will be up very, very soon. Pricing will be better as the University of Miami can negotiate better rates than I could. So pricing will be better for the hotel, for registration. Of course, our industry partners will all be down here with a robust exhibit hall. We all know the vascular space is a device-centric field, both on the venous and arterial side. Of course, this started as saphenous vein ablation in 2003 with endovenous laser and RF, and it has blown up into thermal and non-thermal for the saphenous, multiple new stents for the iliac veins, multiple thrombectomy devices for deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. On the arterial side, of course, all the EVAR, TVAR, fenestrated, whatnot for the aorta, lower extremity ischemia, all the new devices for revascularization, the carotid stenting, open surgery still remains, hemodialysis, how to take care of those fistulas and grafts, both open and endo. A lot to cover over 3 days. So we'll be doing concurrent sessions. We've got a great faculty. We'll have some new faculty. We're going to have a lot of key opinion leaders down here. There's going to be lots of opportunity for our audience to interact with key opinion leaders and the industry experts and those who make the devices. So I don't want to get too long-winded here, but please come on down and join us. Again, the dates are May 28th through the 30th down here in Miami at the Marriott on the water. We're going to have a great time, as we always do. This is our 24th year. We're excited about the new arrangement with the University of Miami. Gives us new resources and new energy going forward. As now have a whole vascular division behind me to work with, more infrastructure, more bandwidth. We have new meeting managers that are very experienced. I'm just fired up that this happened. So please come on down and join us. IVC, check out ivcmiami.com for more information. Thank you. Jose Almeida signing out.